Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I am also fine today. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 YouTube channels. Those will help you to learn English. You can listen English from this YouTube channel, okay? So let's go to the YouTube channel. So at the first time, I will request you, if you are in the beginner level student, so you can watch easy cartoon story. So for that, I will suggest you English Sing Sing. So go to the YouTube and search English Sing Sing, and you can listen, you can watch so many easy English story with the subtitle. There are so many videos available in this YouTube channel. Just you can watch at the first time because you are in the beginner level student. Okay, and you have to listen this kind of video more and more, again and again. Watch the subtitle very carefully, put it headphone in your ear and listen carefully again and again. This is English story. Okay, next one is, I will suggest you, there is BBC English News. So BBC English News, it's a British accent. If you follow the British accent and if you like the British accent, there are so many English broadcast videos available here. You can watch with the subtitle this kind of video. BBC English News. Another name is 6-Minute Learning English. So you can search 6-Minute Learning English and you can search BBC Learning English News. Okay, it's very useful. Sometimes I listen from this YouTube channel, the broadcast video. I like it very much, but it's the British accent. So if you like the British accent, you can go and listen the video right now. So what is the next YouTube channel? The next channel is VOA Learning English. So you have to search VOA Learning English. It's very helpful for you. It's American accent YouTube channel. So you can watch with the subtitle. It's so many videos available here with the acting. Okay, there are so many small drama is available here. Ona is acting. If you don't understand the word meaning, it doesn't matter because you are watching the acting, the people who is acting and what is he doing. So you can watch that, and watching that you will understand easily. Okay, you will understand very easily watching that if you don't catch the vocabulary. Otherwise, you can search from the Google Translate. You can search from the Chrome browser what is the meaning of this word. So viewers, I suggested you just 3 YouTube channels that will help you a lot to learn English easily, to speak English easily, but you have to listen every day. So never give up a single day. Every day try to listen at least 3 hours per day. 3 hours per day every day. So if you don't have time for listening 3 hours per day, at least you should listen 1 hour per day. 1 hour. So never stop, listen 1 hour per day. If you do that, if you maintain this kind of routine, definitely within short time you can speak English fluently. So take care. I will see you very soon with another video with another topic. Allah Hafiz.